So, hello English learners. Today we are going to talk about how to speak English without hesitation. So, this is a topic, and we are going to discuss about this particular topic for today. So, do you understand English but feel shy and hesitate while speaking? Are you someone? Or don't worry. Today I will show you how to speak English without hesitation. Like I'm speaking and I'm not hesitating. Okay, so I have some pointers, and we are going to discuss like 5 pointers I have, and let's start from step by step how we can overcome the hesitation and how you can just speak in a better way. So the first thing, like stop waiting for perfect English. Yes, because if you are someone and you are waiting for the perfect English, so you are improving lots of things, and you are not going to just practice, and you are doing a big mistake. So stop waiting for perfect English. We don't have to wait for the perfect English. When my English will be the perfect, then I'm going to talk with someone. When my English will be perfect, then I'm going to talk with someone. You don't have to do like this. Okay, so I will speak when my grammar becomes perfect. If you are someone who is thinking like, I will speak when my grammar becomes perfect. Fluent speakers don't wait for perfection. Fluent speakers don't wait for perfection. They speak and improve while speaking. They speak and improve while speaking. Start speaking with smile, with simple sentences. Okay, so start speaking with simple sentences. This is the first thing which we have to just apply. I will suggest you don't listen, sit and listen. Don't do this, because if you are going to just listen and you're not going to take any action, this is not going to give you any type of benefit. Okay, so what we have to do is stop waiting for perfect English. We don't have to wait for the perfect English. If you talk about myself, I'm also not perfect English, but we are trying every day. Okay, so we have to do the same. Like I will speak when my grammar will be the best. I will speak when all the rules I will learn. I will speak when I feel not nervous. You don't have to do this. What we have to do, we have to just speak and improve while speaking. Start speaking with simple sentences. This is the first rule which we have to follow. And the second rule, accept mistakes. Yes, and this is a very amazing thing. Like most of the people are not going to accept, because if someone is speaking in a wrong way, or he's mispronouncing the word, or he's doing any type of mistake or blunder, he's not going to accept it, because they are thinking like my ego will hurt. But you don't have to think. Like accept mistakes. If you are speaking with someone and someone is just interrupting with you, like he's saying, you have to just accept. See, okay, yes, I accept. Let me check the pronunciation, let me check the word meaning, let me check the word origin, and how we have to pronounce this word. So you have to do all these things. Okay, so accept mistakes. This is the second point. Like hesitation comes from fear of mistakes. Yes, hesitation comes from fear of mistakes. When you have the fear of making mistakes, the hesitation will come. When you are thinking like, yes, I have the fear of making mistakes, so hesitation comes from fear of mistakes. Okay, but mistakes are proof that you are learning. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning. If you are making mistakes, that it means like you are learning. You have immersed yourself in learning. So you are making mistakes, it's okay. And but mistakes are proof that you are learning. Remember, no one laughs at learners. People respect learners. Learn. If you are the someone who is learning and you are telling the persons like, I'm learning, so no one is going to just laugh at you. People respect learners. This was the second point. And the third point, which is speak slowly, not fast. If you are someone and you are thinking like, if I'm going to speak very fast, people are going to think like, yes, I'm smart enough and I know everything about the English language, and I have the ability to speak very fast. You don't have to do it. So I practice like, I was also speaking very fast, but you don't have to. If you are someone who is thinking like, if I'm going to give any interview and if I'm going to speak so fast, people are going to listen like, yes, he's a person, who is speaking so fast. You don't have to do this. Okay, speak slowly, not fast. Like, people try to speak fast and get stuck. If you're going to if you are going to try speaking so fast, you're going to stuck. Speed is not fluency. Speed is not fluency. Speak like this, like, I want to improve my English. Slow speaking removes hesitation. Okay, so slow speaking removes hesitation. And what you have to, you don't have to speak very fast, you have to speak slowly. Because if you are someone who is just watching lots of content on YouTube, so I will suggest go and watch the speech of Sundar Pichai. Yes, if you are going to just watch any event of Sundar Pichai, so you are going to know what is the power of slow speaking. He speaks very slow. Yes, he takes lots of pauses, but I admire a lot if he's speaking. Okay, so speak slowly, not fast. This was the third point which we have to focus. And the fourth point, which is think in English. Yes, you I know you have watched lots of videos on YouTube, like how to think in English, how to think in mind, how to think in mind, not to translate in mind, to think in English. This is an amazing thing. If you are going to shift your mind from translating to think in English, it is going to just give you lots of advantage. Like, when you translate, your brain gets stuck. Thinking in English makes speaking smooth. Practice. I am walking. Okay, I am cooking and I am going to office. Think in English. Like, when you translate, your brain gets stuck. If you are going to translate like, okay, this is the word, मुझे बाजार जाना है और कुछ सब्जी खरीदनी है, फिर मुझे आना है. If you're going to translate, like, I have to go to the market, then I have to buy some vegetables, then I have to come back. If you are going to translate in your mind, like, you are going to take lots of time. Okay, so you don't have to translate from your native language to the English. Just think in English, like, okay, so I have to go to the market and I have to buy some vegetables, then I have to be come back to my home. Okay, so you have to do this. And the fifth point, which is practice daily for 10 minutes. What I am doing. Okay, so if you are listening, you are someone who is listening, like, I'm recording myself every day for 8 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, whatever the topic I have. Just I talk with you all, and this is a practice. You can just take it as a practice, because I practice. Okay, so before some months, I started practice on Spotify. Just I was recording my voice and I was uploading, but now I just started talking or speaking in front of a camera. So you can also get some insights. Okay, so practice daily for 10 minutes. If you are going to practice for daily for 10 minutes, it is going to enhance your speaking, and you are going to be more comfortable in English, and you are going to just be fluent in English. Okay, so practice daily for 10 minutes. Like, confidence comes from daily speaking. Yes, if you want confidence will come from daily practice. If you are going to practice daily, you are going to become more confident. And even 10 minutes daily can change your fluency. 10 minutes daily can change your fluency. If you are going to practice daily for 10 minutes, it is going to enhance your speaking ability, and it is going to add more value in your words, because practice is everything. If you're someone who is just watching lots of content, So if you are watching lots of content, suppose I just watched the speech of Narendra Modi. He was giving the speech in Israel. I watched that whole entire speech. Then what you have to do, you have to just tell the entire speech in your word. If you are going to watch some news channels, any news channels for 10 minutes or 20 minutes you watched, just summarize that news. Just if you listen any speaker, if you listen the podcast, just summarize that podcast. What you learn that podcast, what we have to do, what we are doing. So this was the practice of 10-minute practice daily for 10 minutes. Okay. So hesitation disappear the day you start speaking every day. Okay. Hesitation disappear the day you start speaking every day. If you are going to speak every day, hesitation will disappear. Okay. So I hope you got some knowledge in this video. So thanks for today, and we are going to meet in another video. So thank you.